Big day for Andhra Pradesh, in fact, as after the NDA unanimously elected N. Chandrababu Naidu as the chief ministerial candidate of Andhra Pradesh, the TDP Supremo is all set to take oath as Andhra Pradesh's chief minister today. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Union Home Minister Amit Shah and Union Ministers JP Nadda and Bandi Sanjay Kumar, as well as several other leaders, are expected to attend the swearing-in ceremony. After a unanimous resolution was passed by all the MLAs of three alliance partners, the TDP, Janasena and the BJP, it was sent to the Governor Justice Abdul Nazir, who formally invited the NDA to form the government. TDP chief is scheduled to take an oath at 11:27 a.m. near Medha IT Park opposite the Gannavaram Airport in Kesarapalli on the outskirts of Vijayawada. Along with Naidu, other leaders are likely to swear in, and they could include Janasena chief Pawan Kalyan. According to NDA sources, Pawan Kalyan has been offered the Deputy Chief Minister post. TDP chief also confirmed that Amravati would be the capital of the state. Naidu first became the Chief Minister in 1995 and served two consecutive terms in the United Andhra Pradesh until 2004. And after the state's bifurcation, he returned as the first Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh from 2014 to 2019. With that now, we cut across to our colleague Mohammad Wajiullah, who's joining us on this broadcast. Waji, a very good morning to you. Currently, help us understand all that's underway and what exactly is happening.
Well, good morning, Priya. Before I get into the details of it, let me just tell my camera person to pan and show you a little bit over here. If I can tell my guest to move a little. Well, I am stuck here in this traffic jam for the last 10-15 minutes, and this is the way to the venue of the swearing-in ceremony. It is just 12 kilometers from here is what I've been told, and it is already chock-a-block as of now, and the time right now is 9:15. That means we are just 2 hours, 17 minutes exactly away from the swearing-in ceremony, and it's already a traffic jam for the next 12 kilometers. And where I am is in Vijayawada, and around me are people who have come from various places to see this swearing-in ceremony. So before I get to that, let me just speak to these few people. Sir, आज आप लोग आए हो यहाँ चंद्रबाबु नायडू की swearing, कितना बड़ा दिन है?
విశాఖపట్నం నుంచి సుమారుగా వేలాది అంటే కోట్లతో జనాలు, లక్షల జనాలు తరలి వచ్చారు. ఈ విశాఖపట్నం ప్రజలే కాదు, విజయవాడలో ఉన్న జనసందోహం అంతా కూడా బయట రాష్ట్రాల నుంచి కూడా, అంటే ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ కాసే చూస్తున్నారు ఇవాళంతా కూడా. ఎందుకంటే ఈ 5 సంవత్సరాలు రాక్షస పాలన చేసి ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ ప్రజలు ప్రతి ఒక్కరిని ఒక కింద స్థాయి నుంచి పెద్ద స్థాయి వరకు కూడా ఎవరిని బతకనివ్వలేదు. వ్యాపారాలు లేవు, అభివృద్ధి లేదు, సంక్షేమం ఎవరిదిచ్చాడు? మా డబ్బే, మేము కట్టున్న ప్రతి రూపాయి ట్యాక్సుల రూపాయలు వచ్చిన డబ్బుని సంక్షేమంకి ఇచ్చాడు. ఏమీ ప్రతి ఒక్కరిని ఇబ్బంది పెట్టాడు. ఇవాళ ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ ప్రజలు సంబరాలు చేసుకుంటున్నారు. సంబరాలు ఎందుకు చేసుకుంటున్నారు? ఇది ఒక సునామీ లాగా జనసందోహంతో సంబరాలు చేసుకుంటున్నారు, ఆనందాలతో.
Let me just explain, translate this film. Sir, क्या बोले अभी?
आंध्र प्रदेश का बहुत बढ़िया दिन, बढ़िया अच्छा का दिन आ गया. आज का दिन है ना, बहुत दिन से 5 साल से देख रहे सर, 5 साल से बहुत ये ना राक्षस में पाल नहीं है. किसी का पावर नहीं है, किसी का नीचे से ऊपर तक किसी का इंडिविजुअल लाइफ नहीं है. उनका रेवोल्यूशन
चंद्रबाबू से चेंज आएगा आपके?
चंद्रबाबू नायडू आ गया, बहुत बढ़िया चेंज आ रहे सब, पक्का. जनता के अंदर ये खुशी से बहुत कहाँ से आ रहा पता नहीं.
अब अमरावती कैपिटल बनेगा?
अमरावती पक्का बनेगा सब.
ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ ప్రజలందరూ కూడా అమరావతి కావాలని కోరుకున్నారు. వాళ్ళు అహోరాత్రులు ఎన్నో కేసులు పెట్టి ఎన్నో ఇబ్బందులు పెట్టి అమరావతి రైతుల్ని మానసికంగా శారీరకంగా చంపుదాం అనుకున్నారు. కానీ ఇదే భగవంతుడు గాడ్.
What he is trying to say is that the farmers of Amravati have gone through a mental torture. They've gone through a lot of suffering because of the change of capital, and that is why with Chandrababu coming, it's going to be very important. I have one of the hotel owners. सर, कल रात से पूरा होटल बुक होगा?
पूरा होटल बुक हो गया. पूरा ये अमेरिका से आया, लंदन से आया, इंग्लैंड से आया, बहुत जर्मन से आया इसके लिए देखने के लिए. पूरा आदमी पूरा फ्रॉम नॉट ओनली विजयवाड़ा, विशाखापट्टनम, हैदराबाद, फ्रॉम Bangalore, so many people has come to celebrate this occasion. beautiful occasion. Since this last 5 years, people suffered like anything. Now, their dreams are coming true. Again, Amaravati is getting now Rajdhani of Andhra Pradesh.
Okay, so that is the sentiment of the people who are here. Priya, you can clearly hear that they are very excited. This particular gentleman has come all the way from Vishakhapatnam to attend this swearing ceremony. He is one of the hotel owners in the area of a particular hotel called Hotel Empire, and he clearly tells me that the entire area, Vijayawada, we are just 15 kilometers from the venue, and every hotel is completely booked with the fan following and the followers of Chandrababu Naidu. So we are going to expect a sea of people. Last night when we were looking for a hotel, we saw a Chaultry which was filled with people who had come from various parts of Andhra Pradesh
Right.
just to attend this. Chaultry is a wedding hall. So
Right,
wedding hall was
Vaji.
filled with
Right.
people who have come to
Vaji,
watch.
I'm very
this
sorry, I'll have to interrupt you there, but thank you for bringing us the sentiment that the people share on the ground there with regards to Chandrababu Naidu now taking, who is to be now sworn in as the Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh. A tide of change that the people of Andhra are ready to welcome at this point.